If you want to insert your SIM card into iPhone 16e, what you need to do is open the SIM tray, eject the SIM tray that we have on the left side of the phone over here. We need to use a SIM tool that we can find inside the box. This is an example one. I have mine here. It looks a little bit different, but it still does the job. Nevertheless, you need to put that tool into that hole over here. So put it in and then use just a little bit of force, not too much, you don't have to use that much, until the SIM tray pops up or out. And then use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. Now over here we have the SIM slot, and we need to match the shape of the SIM slot. So make sure that you put it correctly. So we have this cut over here on this side, in my case, and just put it back into the phone, the SIM tray with the SIM card. So put it back in and just push it with your finger. Make sure that it is not sticking out. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!